Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. I'm a property investor, and right now is a very good opportunity to find bargain property investments. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you the 5 steps to finding a bargain property. Now, even if you have no money, it doesn't matter, because if you can find a house that's worth £200,000 and you can negotiate down to £150,000, that's a £50,000 discount. You could pass that on to an investor for a £5,000 fee. The key is, as a property entrepreneur, as a property investor, is you need to be finding deals. And right now, deals are on the table. 520,000 properties were paused from being sold during lockdown. Lockdown is now over as far as property investing is concerned. Estate agents are open, viewings are going ahead, and there are juicy deals on the table. So what I want you to do is get a pen, get a piece of paper, take good notes on this video, and then actually implement what I say. I started property investing when I was 17 years old from a working class family home. 25 years old, I was a millionaire. I'm now 29 years old. I'm a multi-property millionaire, and I'm sharing with you the 5 steps that you can find property investments. So get a pen, get a paper, smash subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and that's all I ask. Like the video, drop a comment, that's it. Because the more you comment, the more you like, the more people will see this video, and people need to see this video. Step number 1, write this down, is you need to qualify. Qualify. As a property bargain hunter, what do I mean by qualify? You need to, number 1, qualify the sellers. So before you start viewing houses, don't just start viewing houses for the sake of it and putting forward stupid offers. You've got to speak to them beforehand and make sure that they are motivated. You've got to qualify them. You've got to qualify the agent. You've got to put forward some if-would offers. Listen, I'm a property investor. If I was to offer 80% market value, would that be something that your client would be interested in or open to? So qualify that they're motivated. You cannot be a motivated buyer. You have to be dealing with motivated sellers. So qualify them, and also if you're able to, if you've got cash in your bank, qualify yourself. Show the estate agent your proof of deposit. Show them your funds. Show them your solicitor details. Qualify them, qualify you. It saves a lot of time, and it means that you're going to be putting yourself in the right place at the right time. Number 2 is don't speak first. When you're at the viewing, just listen. Listen to their problems. Listen to what their story is. Listen to how long they've been trying to sell, why they're trying to sell. Your job is to be a detective investigator and find their situation. Listen, don't speak first. And when you speak, usually speak with questions. Don't speak first, and don't put forward the offer first. Ask them what they'll accept. So many times I've had situations whereby there's been a house on the market for a £200,000. I've offered an offer, I've put forward an offer of 180. I thought 20 grand discount, that'd be great. They say yes. I'm like, what would have happened if I'd have said 160? So don't put forward the offer first. Let them speak first. Ask them this. This is the magic question. You want to say, if I was to buy the property cash tomorrow, what would be the lowest you'd be able to accept and still live with? That's the question. That's the magic question. So write that down. Did you notice that was another if-would offer? If I was to buy the property cash tomorrow, what would the lowest you'd be able to accept with and still live with be? Like, that's the kind of question you need to be. So don't speak first, listen, make them put forward the offer. Number 3, write this down, is expect to be rejected. If you want to be successful in property, if you want to find some cracking deals, you're going to get some rejection first. You're going to get estate agents saying that's too cheeky. You're going to get the seller saying, how dare you offer that? Expect it. In Britain, we are far too polite. We don't like to hear the words no. We hear no, and it ruins our day. Expect to hear it, and don't take it personally. If you're not embarrassed about your offer, the offer is too high. So be embarrassed. Prepare yourself to be rejected. That's part of the fun. It's like when you're haggling at the marketplace. You're walking around, you're trying to haggle. That's how it goes. Same with property. Property investment is one of the very strange things where when you buy a house, you can just decide between you and the buyer what you buy the house for. You can't do that with Bitcoin. You can't do that with stocks and shares or gold. The price is the price. Make the most and take advantage of being able to negotiate the price and expect to be told no, and stop being so British with your politeness. Step 4, please write this down, and if you're enjoying the video, please do smash the like button, drop a comment. Step 4, justify everything. When you do finally put forward your offer, you've got to justify it. Don't just say 150, you've got to justify it. And be specific as well with your offer. That's a whole nother video of how to work out what you offer, but you've got to justify why you offer what you offer. If you say 150 and it's worth 200, you need to say 150 because lockdowns just happened, there's a lot for sale right now, because the one a few doors down the road sold for 150, because it needs work doing to it. You need to just give all the reasons as to why you're offering lower. Number 1, it'll make them much more likely to say yes. Number 2 is, in business, whenever you put forward an offer, whenever you do anything, you've got to justify it. Even if you skip a queue, you can't just skip a queue. You've got to give a reason why you're skipping the queue. Write it down. Justify everything. Number 5, lastly, turn a no into a yes. When you're told no, which you need to expect because you're going to get rejected, don't take it personally, but also don't accept that that is a forever no. When someone tells me no, I don't hear no, I hear not for now. You've got to follow up. Call them back a week later. Hey, I know I offered you £150,000 on your property. It's now been a week. How's it going? Follow up. When the estate agent says, oh, no way would my client accept £150,000, you need to say, fair enough, completely understand. Have you got any other property owners that are a little bit more motivated? So when you get a no, think of how you can turn it into another opportunity or into a yes. Folks, there are the 5 steps. Don't keep watching me on YouTube. Go view some houses. There's incredible deals out there. Go get some deals, sell some deals, package some deals, buy some deals. That's what makes me excited. Most of my content on my YouTube channel is not me talking, it's me pulling people like you onto YouTube and interviewing your success as a result of listening to me on YouTube and going on my training. If you want me to mentor you as well, if you want to be mentored in property, I've got a whole team of mentors. Check the description in the link below and you can see how you can get further training. But don't even do that, just go view some houses and get some deals. Thanks so much for watching, peace out, see you next time.